Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Honorable Minister for Information Technology, Mr. K.T. Ramarao. Honorable Sri C. Rangarajan Garu. Honorable Member of Parliament, Chevella Constituency, Mr. Vishweshwar Reddy Garu. NASCOM Chairman, Mr. B.V.R. Mohan Reddy Garu. Other distinguished guests on the dais, invitees. It's a matter of great pleasure to welcome all of you in the middle of the Digital India Week celebrations and the launch of the Digital Telangana program. As we all know, there are three flagship programs which our Prime Minister has launched so far: Make in India, Clean India and Digital India. The Telangana government is completely in sync with all these three programs, and we have tried to mold these programs to meet the requirements of our own state, and particularly in the digital space, the way we have molded it is that we now have a Digital Telangana, Digital Make in Telangana and Digital Swachh Telangana. These are the three local variants of these three national programs that we are trying to launch today in the presence of Honorable Minister, Honorable Dr. Rangarajan and all the other distinguished gathering. When it comes to Digital Telangana, as we know, the Digital India has laid out a number of aspects of this program, and in many respects, our goals, our ambitions are far exceeding that of the national goals. We also have a very elaborate program of supplying digital facilities, creating digital infrastructure to the nook and corner of the state. And parallelly, we also have a very strong program to make people enabled to use this digital infrastructure through a number of programs. I welcome Honorable MLA Seringampalli constituency, Mr. Gandhi amidst our list. So, our Digital Telangana program, as I said, will be focusing both on the supply side, how to make digital infrastructure available to everyone, and creating the demand side. Once that infrastructure is available, how do we ensure that each and every person is able to utilize that infrastructure? In terms of Digital Make in Telangana, as we all know, the biggest opportunities in the digital world for Make in India, one is of course actual manufacturing, and we will be seeing in the coming days a large number of manufacturing initiatives, particularly in the electronic and semiconductor area, and there will be some very important announcements made today and also in the forthcoming period. The other important opportunity that we are creating here in Telangana is product development, and there will be some important announcements made both today and in the coming days on some new companies which are setting up their product development initiatives here in Telangana. In terms of Swachh Digital Telangana or Clean Digital Telangana, again we are very conscious of the fact that there are adverse consequences of the digital space also. For example, we all are aware about the cyber threats that the whole world is facing today. In fact, if you recall the speech which the Prime Minister gave during his Digital India launch program, he used an expression repeatedly. He used it in Hindi. He called it Raktahin Yudh. He mentioned it 2-3 times that a Raktahin Yudh is going on in the world. Basically what he meant was that a bloodless war is going on, which is a war being fought on the cyberspace, and either India can become a victim or India can play a leadership role in controlling that bloodless war. So cyber security is a very important aspect, and today, in a few moments from now, a very, very important milestone activity will be happening, which will reaffirm our government's commitment to promote cyber security. The other important aspect of Swachh Digital Telangana is to ensure that our footfalls, because of the digital activities, they don't add to the carbon load, which is already much beyond the accepted levels. So we want our IT buildings to be green buildings. We want the entire IT corridors to be green. Just now, the Honorable Minister has started the plantation program. About 25,000 plants are going to be planted, 40,000 plants are going to be planted in the Cyberabad area. We just launched the plantation. Minister planted a few trees in the biodiversity park and in the Mindspace complex. Similarly, we want all the buildings to become energy efficient. We do not want them to utilize too much of energy. We will also be introducing a number of pedestrian friendly measures. Just a few days ago, a shuttle facility was launched for women employees called She Shuttle. And these will be various other initiatives to be taken for Swachh Digital Telangana. We are also conscious about e-waste, so we want to ensure that none of the electronic components are really wasted, and we will be signing an important MOU today also. So all in all, these three components, Digital Telangana, Make in Telangana, and Clean Digital Telangana. I'm very happy that we are able to kickstart these programs in the midst of all such distinguished luminaries, and I look forward to the support of all the corporate employees and the companies who are present here in our state. And we want you also to go beyond what we are thinking, have your own goals, have your own vision, and let us together achieve everything. So thanks all of you for coming for this function, and look forward to have a very meaningful session here now and the subsequent one in the afternoon in the JNTU Fine Arts University campus in Masabtank. Thank you very much.